It's not uncommon for us to have folks come to our office after they've been injured by the negligence or the recklessness of the state of New York. And when I say the state of New York, it's typically the agencies, the entities, and the employees of the state of New York. We've litigated and tried numerous cases against the state of New York in the Court of Claims. The way it works in New York State is any claim against the state of New York or one of its entities or agencies has to be brought in a special court that is only for cases and claims against the state of New York. That court is known as the Court of Claims, and it only entertains, it only hears, it's only there for cases against the state of New York. And the big difference between a regular case against a private defendant or against the city of New York that is brought in Supreme Court in any number of the counties of the state and the Court of Claims is that in Supreme Court, in other kinds of cases, you have the right to a jury trial. When you file for the trial, when you file to get on the trial calendar, you have a choice. Will I have a judge listen to my case and decide my case at trial, or will I have a jury? And we, like almost all attorneys like us in New York City and New York State, will choose a jury trial because there's many advantages for our clients with a jury trial. However, in the Court of Claims, you have a bench trial. The judge decides the case. There are no juries, there's no right to a jury trial. So when we present cases, when we try cases against the state of New York in the Court of Claims, it is a judge who decides the case. The judge is not only making legal rulings like they do in a regular trial with a jury, but the judge is also the finder of fact, and that's the jury's role in a traditional jury trial. In a traditional jury trial, the judge oversees the legal issues and makes legal decisions on points of law, and the jury resolves the factual disputes. In the Court of Claims, where cases against the state of New York are heard, the judge wears both hats. The judge decides legal issues and evidentiary issues and the like, but the judge is also the finder of fact or the trier of fact and makes the decision about the factual disputes in the case.